What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the honest new feature of Filmora 13.4, the AI voice changer. Yes, you are heard that right, you can now completely transform your voice directly inside Filmora, adding a whole new level of creativity and fun to your video editing. To use Filmora 13.4, make your videos more engaging by giving your characters silly voices or spooky transformations. Protect your privacy or create a mysterious narrator's voice for your content. So that's very easy. The download link of this website is available in the video description. After installation, launch the software. You will see the interface like this. To change your voice, simply click on New Project button. You will see the interface like this. Here you can see we have bunch of features. First of all, click on the import button, import your video and drag and drop it onto the timeline. If I click on the play button.
Hey everyone, I am beyond thrilled to share this incredible moment with you. We've hit 100,000 subscribers. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for your...
So now I want to change video voice. That's very easy. Simply click on the audio button of right hand side. And after this, click on the voice changer button. Here you can see we have two options like voice filters and voice characters. If I click on voice filters, here you can see we have many options like echo, lobby, old radio, big room, phone, small radio, etc. And if I click on the voice characters, here you can see we have many voice characters like hacker, male voice, child voice, AI robot voice and tradition voice. And now we will try the voices one by one. First of all, click on voice filters.
Hey everyone, I am beyond thrilled to share this incredible moment with you. We've hit 100,000 subscribers. Hey everyone, I am beyond thrilled to share this incredible moment with you. We've hit 100,000 subscribers. Hey everyone, I am beyond thrilled to share this incredible moment with you. We've hit 100,000 subscribers.
And after this we have the voice character feature. If I click on the hacker voice.
Hey everyone, I am beyond thrilled to share this incredible moment with you. We've hit 100,000 subscribers. Thank you from the bottom.
Hey everyone, I am beyond thrilled to share this incredible moment with you. We've hit 100,000 subscribers. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for your amazing support.
After all the settings, simply click on export button. Select the device and then you can select the platform like YouTube, TikTok, DVD, etc. Then select the file name, save path and then you can select the quality, resolution and frame rate. After all the settings, simply click on export button. So there you have it. Filmora 13.4's voice changer is a fantastic tool to add spice and creativity to your video editing. If you have not tried it yet, what are you waiting for? Head over to Filmora website and download the latest version to start having fun with voice changings. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what kind of cool voice change videos you create. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome Filmora editing tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.